Coupe is the first 3D printer that uses original Delta technology. This makes it the first sub-$1,500 3D printer that's accurate and reliable enough to use every day for prints that are mission critical.
We built Coupe to solve three key issues: reliability, ease of operation, and affordability.
In many industries, rapid product development is the difference between being the first mover and being just another laggard. Until now, small companies and independent designers have struggled with layer shift and other issues that plague most of the affordable 3D printers. The main reason that most 3D printers break down is because they need to keep constant tension on carrier rails. This can cause rapid wear and tear. Slippery printing beds, blocked nozzles, and warping are other common issues.
When 3D printing goes wrong, you lose hours of printing and waste expensive filaments. Makers and small businesses like me can't afford that. I wanted to make 3D printing as easy and reliable as using an inkjet printer.
3 articulated arms move the printhead in a circular rather than linear motion. Less friction means less maintenance and a longer lifespan. A closed-door system keeps printing temperatures stable, reducing warping and improving quality. You can say goodbye to nasty printing failures for good. Assembly, disassembly, and upgrades are a snap, literally, thanks to the use of magnetic joints. The build platform can be maneuvered easily through the large door at the front so you can remove delicate parts.
Enjoy hassle-free 3D printing.
Thank you.
What if you could, with a few clicks of your mouse, 3D print a toy for your child in the comforts of your own home? What if you could create gifts for your friends in minutes? Introducing the 101 Hero Mini 3D Printer, the most affordable 3D printer in the world. We've worked with the best in the industry to ensure a compact and easy-to-use design. Simply turn it on, insert a memory card, and print anything imaginable. The beauty of the 101 Hero Mini is in its simplicity. All you have to do is download one of thousands of lab-tested G-code files from our website, save it to your SD card, and make it real with one touch. We think that everyone should have access to 3D printing technology, and it's for this reason that we've made the 101 Hero Mini, the most affordable way to 3D print. The Hero Mini uses a new technology to drive the plastic extruding motor, and we've come up with many innovations in the structure and design of the printer itself. With these adaptations, you're able to have the same functionality of a high-end 3D printer, but for a fraction of the cost. Meanwhile, we've also worked hard to ensure a safe design, so the 101 Hero Mini can be enjoyed by the young and old alike. The 101 Hero Mini represents an entirely new medium for kids, engineers, artists, and makers.
About 6 months ago, we decided to make the M3D Pro based on getting feedback from our existing users. So we've already gone through 3 iterations of design prototypes and we're almost completely done the engineering. 3 months ago, we proved a lot of the important concepts like making a heated bed that uses less power, proving that it can move a lot faster, proving the benefits of higher quality and higher precision metal parts. And right now we're going through the final phases of proving the feedback system and finishing the next steps in programming.
Our goal with the M3D Pro is to make the most reliable 3D printer in history, and the way we're going to do it is by combining a full suite of sensors, what we call a sensor network, with precision metal parts. The combination allows the printer to become more self-aware, and it can correct for errors that are common in all 3D printers, cheap ones and expensive ones, things such as filament snags, printhead crashes, even power outages.
First time I ever heard about 3D printing was one of my friends printed a Ninja Warrior training hold, and I thought it was really cool.
The unique thing that you're getting with M3D Pro that we have not yet seen in this industry is that ability for the printer to sense many different things within itself. It has the ability to sense position, it has the ability to sense speed, it has the ability to sense temperature in 5 different places, and if there's a problem, it can be self-diagnosed and in almost all cases can be self-corrected. Ultimately, that gives you more time in the creative process.
With 3D printing, I have right on my desk, or my granddaughters have right on their desk. If they get an idea, they can try to make that idea on a 3D printer right there. They can turn their ideas into reality. This I didn't have when I was a kid.
Really, the greatest advancement that 3D printing could accomplish at any point in the future is ease of use, making it so that anybody can just go from an idea to creating that idea within an afternoon.
We've introduced this new thing that we call tutorial mode. So what we got from our feedback from original backers was that they wanted more detailed guides so they can grow into becoming an expert user rather than having to start as an expert user.
The thing I think that needs to happen for educators is speed is an issue, how fast we can turn around.
So with M3D Pro, you have the ability to print a single prototype with extreme accuracy and high quality, but you also have the ability to take that prototype and print it in quantity, cover the entire print bed with multiples of your model and produce it at volume.
I am so excited for the future, not only for me, but for my daughter, to grow up being able to use her mind to create anything she wants to, thanks to a 3D printer.
I've been fascinated with just the whole idea of 3D printing for quite a while now, focusing on just simple things that I could print for around the house, or toys that I could print to play with my kids. Really just the idea that I could create something myself.
So the M3D Pro is already successfully funded and is the largest crowdfunded 3D printer this year. Due to popular demand, we're opening up pre-orders using the Indiegogo in-demand platform.
And what M3D is doing, I think many people are going to see as extremely innovative, and they're going to want to be first to support it and to help nurture where this technology is going to go. They just also happen to get a printer as one of their rewards very early and at a deep discount.
I'm Josh from E3D.
And Sandro, also from E3D.
I'm Greg from the Little Box Company.
So we've got together and we're making a new printer called the BigBox.
The BigBox is a no-compromise, high-specification 3D printer, combining the best in print quality with a huge print volume. The large build volume means that you can take on ambitious projects, getting you higher productivity, print bigger stuff, and more of it. Thanks to BigBox's incredibly precise motion system, you will get twice the standard print resolution. Using an E3D extrusion system means that you can print any material, get high quality prints, and have a modular printer that can grow as you take on new projects. BigBox has great cable management and ease of access. We've integrated a universal spooling system and made BigBox simple to use with a standalone controller.
BigBox brings together experience in designing super precise, very high resolution motion systems for laser cutters and implements that with 3D printing hot end from E3D.
E3D are highly regarded as an aftermarket upgrade, supplying a complete ecosystem of parts and consumables.
We've already got the supply chain set up. BigBox will integrate perfectly with E3D, and we know that we can deliver.
All of the parts are going to be available online, so you'll be able to download the STLs for all of the printed parts or the DXFs for all of the laser cut parts, make changes as you need. Little Box are bringing the motion system.
E3D are bringing the extrusion system.
And we're really excited about what this is going to do for the 3D printing industry.
Introducing the Rover 4D. The Rover 4D is an improvement in every way. It has a 12 by 12 by 12 inch build volume, aerospace grade aluminum frame, THK profiled bearings, Z ball screw, dedicated dissolvable support and flexible filament extruders, automatic bed leveling, a print layer cooling fan, liquid cooled hot ends, and a wireless interface. As a 3D printer, it is the best value in the industry. But it's more than that, it's a full color 3D printer. It works by using cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and white filaments and feeding them into one hot end where they are blended or mixed together at various ratios to get unique new colors. CMYK, like your office inkjet printer. You wouldn't think about going back to black and white TV. Full color 3D printing is a better experience. Instead of buying filament in a specific color and then loading it into the printer, you simply select the colors you want visually from an infinite palette and the printer automatically adjusts the color. Even though our professional grade printers will please even the most critical engineer, we've made it so easy to print in full color that even a child can do it. It's as easy as pick, paint, print. First, pick your model from the millions of free models that are already available online. Then paint the model.
I'm going to paint a gecko.
Then print the model.
This is Dave. There's nothing in the world he loves more than 3D printing.
I've often been asked, would I rather have the perfect girlfriend or the perfect 3D printer? Definitely the 3D printer.
Today, he's trying out the Trinus 3D printer.
I'm sorry, where was I?
Trinus, a new 3D printer.
Bring it.
These days, he's not just looking for another 3D printer. He wants something that produces quality prints, can work with a wide variety of materials, can print with multiple file formats, is reliable, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg. He's had some trying experiences, putting together printers with hundreds of parts and having to recalibrate them over and over again.
Finally done. Let's print.
Or coping with prices that put him over the edge. Trinus has a modular structure with 4 identical units, which reduces its production cost. Yeah, that's it. Only 11 parts. Sorry.
Okay, let's do this.
With an easy-to-follow manual, you can assemble Trinus in 30 minutes. And because its mechanics are scaled down from industrial-grade machines, Trinus brings professional-level performance and precision right to your desk. Trinus isn't just a fixed package either. You can exchange its 3D printing head for a laser engraving one. You can also equip your Trinus with a heated bed and safety enclosure, opening your printer up to PC and ABS. Now, Dave, how much do you think this costs?
Well, considering the ease of assembly and attention to details, although I'd still need to see the printed models, I'd say around $1,500.
Nope. Look right.
What's the catch?
There's no catch. $299 on Kickstarter. Trinus uses its intuitive Pango software, which works twice as fast as other slicers. But you're not locked to that. Other software and G-code are compatible too. Remember the time you used the high-speed setting on that other low-cost printer and ended up with a dull, messy print? Even using a higher print speed, Trinus gives you a clean, high-quality print without shaking everything off your desk. Plus, the laser head will come in handy when your best friend beats you at a game you thought you were good at. Trinus lets you print with many different filaments, including flex, wood, and aluminum, all without a jammed extruder or clogged nozzle. To help achieve that, Trinus partnered with Polymaker. With their Polymax PLA or PC Plus, you can be sure that your printed parts will be stronger and better than ever before.
Darling, to you. I love you too. I can explain.
Amanda is a maker, a practitioner of tech wizardry and DIY magic. And this maker just got a new magic wand. This is the new Optimus. The Optimus is a modular 3-in-1 machine that includes a 3D printer, a laser, and CNC mill. It assembles into 2 configurations and creates finished products. This machine can make anything except waffles. So we designed the Optimus for people like Amanda. She's full of cool ideas and wants to create something new. The way that it's been though, if you wanted to start making, you'd have to strike a deal with the devil to finance a lot of machines and a huge space to use them. And unless you're Tony Stark, this situation is about as convenient as a harpoon to the face. Not convenient at all. So we changed that and created one flexible machine with 3 essential tools that fits on your desktop. This machine was forged in our small team of makers, engineers, and designers. And we're driven by this idea that making could be more fun, easy, and just a better experience overall. So with that thinking, we made the Optimus simple to operate and maintain. And along with this machine, we've created an app to control it and also a simplified 3D design program so Amanda can start making fast. And while it's easy to use, this machine was built for professionals who require top-grade tools. This is what we're all about. And with quality in mind, we built the Optimus with all metal parts. This ensures that it's going to be reliable, sturdy, and that it can bring your ideas to life year after year. The modular design enables the whole rig to quickly transform back and forth in just a few minutes. And the modular design means it's easy to manufacture and transport. And because you don't need to buy 3 separate machines, you'll save money. Then maybe you can buy that waffle maker too. We know firsthand about the excitement of holding your own designs, so while others may not get why you make, tinker, or cosplay, we do, and we want to help you make more stuff. Now you can bring the Optimus into full production. We have successfully built and tested 20 machines. Now the Optimus is ready.
What if this could all be real? What if your ideas could come to life? Meet Sculpto, a personal 3D printer for you and your family. Sculpto allows you to design your own creations or choose from an exciting selection of toys and items. With Sculpto, you can print directly from your smartphone or tablet via one-click printing. Test your ideas in numerous colors, shapes, and sizes. We are the team behind. We want to create a future where children see no limitations to their creative and innovative potential. This is why Sculpto came to life. It has a clever design and a low price. So now, all you need to do is find your smartphone and start printing. Please back us now. Help us make a more creative future.
You know, sometimes being a kid isn't as easy as you might think.
I mean, we have the ideas, we have the motivation, and we have all the potential in the world.
But sometimes we just don't have the tools we need. That's why we've decided it's time to make our own tools.
So we've created Yeehaw, the only 3D printer designed with us kids in mind. We made it easy to use and 100% safe for kids. It's controlled directly by its cloud system, either online or through its expertly designed app, so there's no need for manually adjusting anything. You can create unique and original designs pixel by pixel in the app. Or you can choose from an always growing library of more than 2,000 ready-to-print toys. All you need to do is pick your color, press print, and Yeehaw does the rest.
It's fully enclosed by its safety door, so there's absolutely no danger when the machine is printing. If the door is open, or the machine is tilted, or anything else goes wrong, the machine will automatically stop printing and retract its nozzle. Yeehaw is sleek, compact, and see-through all around, which allows you to see ideas come to life from any angle.
All of our filaments are eco-friendly and non-toxic, and they come in 12 different colors.
We wanted to make sure that Yeehaw allowed kids to explore their creativity in whole new ways. We could be innovative in our problem solving. We could dream up new and exciting worlds. We can help each other learn, grow, and achieve our potential.
And don't worry, we made it safe for grown-ups too.
Support us on Indiegogo and share our campaign with family and friends. Yeehaw, the 3D printer designed with kids in mind.
This is a 3D printer that you can take anywhere. This is a 3D printer that is really simple and easy to use. Introducing the Pocket Maker. Pocket Maker is a pocket 3D printer that can be afforded with pocket money. The Pocket Maker is designed to be perfect for beginner users, but also for expert users. You can not only print your own 3D model on your computer, but also connect your phone to print. All you have to do is use your phone to connect with Pocket Maker. Select the model you want and just click Print.
Thanks for watching.